I've generated over $40,000 online in the last 8 months of my online coaching journey. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 rules to change your entire coaching business. So let's get straight into it with number 1. So master your niche. Mastering your niche is literally the cornerstone of a successful coaching business, right? Because being a generalist, right, you're going to get absolutely demolished by the market. You're going to get absolutely stomped on by the market, especially when you're starting out. If you're like very general, you have a very general niche, then it's wraps for you. It's game over for you, mate. You're not going to make much money at all. You won't make much money at all. So just prevent this, right? Or let me give you a bit of a scenario. Ask yourself this. Let's say you need to have a brain surgery. Let's say you have a brain problem. I hope that's not the case, but let's say I just an example. Say you have a brain problem. Would you rather trust a GP or a brain surgeon to make a surgery? Right. So you would obviously trust a brain surgeon because it specializes in that. Why would you want to have a surgery from a GP who doesn't even do surgeries? Right? It's in that industry of medicine, health and medicine, but it's not specialized in doing surgeries. You know what I mean? That's why you need to niche down as much as you can, but not too much, right? So when you focus on a specific niche, you actually position yourself as a go-to authority in that space. And what that's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to attract your ideal clients and allow you to deliver better results. Because obviously the better results you deliver, the better online coach you are and the more money you're going to make. To implement this into your business, I want you to ask yourself these 2 questions. What are the pain points of your ICP? And your ICP is just your ideal client profile or the person you're trying to target. What are their pain points and what are their aspirations? Now, an example of this could be if your niche is helping solopreneurs grow their business using school, I want you to outline exactly how you'll transition them from feeling overwhelmed to having an insane community. Right? It's all about crafting your messaging and offer around your niche. Okay, now the more specialized the niche, the easier it is for you to make an impact and the easier it is for you to dominate that niche and make a lot of money. So the best way to position yourself as an authority is by sharing niche specific content regularly, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. But I'll be covering more about specific content later in this video. Now, the next rule is having a results driven offer. Now, this is ultimately what's going to separate a successful coaching business from all the other ones in the entire market. Now, you need to understand this one thing. People don't pay for coaching. They pay for the transformation. You need to promise a tangible outcome, something your clients can measure by the end of the program. So I want you to focus on the outcomes, not on the features of the program. It's not about all the shiny features inside the program, the calls, the courses. It's all about what those things deliver. So it's all about reframing everything inside your coaching business and changing the entire messaging. For example, instead of saying I have weekly calls, say I have a step-by-step system to help you grow your school community to 500 plus members in 90 days. That's just a very, very good example of reframing and changing the messaging. Now, next, you need to clearly define the milestones that your clients are going to achieve. And then you break your offer down into actionable steps to guide them along the journey. So I want you to find the end outcome that you promised and then reverse engineer the actions and the milestones the client needs to hit in order to achieve the end outcome. And then I want you to put that on a spreadsheet with clear KPIs, which are basically key performance indicators or objectives which they need to hit. Now, inside of this spreadsheet, I want you to place templates, scripts, frameworks, and all of these are going to help you achieve those small milestones. I help the client achieve those small milestones. And then I want you to send those templates, scripts, frameworks, all that stuff, that spreadsheet. Send it to your clients and tell them to use that spreadsheet to track their progress. On top of that, you can incorporate accountability check-ins, progress check-ins, and success stories to prove your methods work. Now, when the client sees the value of the results you provide, they're going to be eager to invest into your service and work way harder than the rest of the competition to get the results. That's rule 2 done. Now we move to rule 3, which is leveraging school. Now, school is an absolute game changer for coaches and entrepreneurs who want to build an online business. School combines the factor of engagement, course delivery, and program management all in one place. And it literally simplifies the entire operation. It allows you to focus on what matters the most, which is basically to help the client succeed, and it gives you all the right tools on one platform. Now, here is exactly how you can leverage Skool for your coaching business. You need to start by setting your Skool community with a clear purpose. Have a sequenced onboarding process. Give step-by-step instructions on what to do next. Host calls inside the community, regular and frequent calls inside the community. Reward active participants. And you can do that by leveraging the leaderboard and gamification features inside the Skool, which is going to increase participation and engagement inside the community. And we can also do this by creating monthly challenges for members to remain active and engaged. This is not only going to increase retention, but it's also going to build a group of a strong network of individuals who can promote coaching for you. And that's the most killer thing you can have. Now, the fourth rule is to create a content machine. Now, you didn't understand that content is evergreen. It is literally the lifeblood of your entire coaching business. It is exactly how you're going to attract potential clients, build trust, showcase your expertise. Now, when doing content, you need to make sure you're consistent with it, because otherwise you're never going to get consistent. You're never going to get good results from it. And this is exactly how we're going to position ourselves as an authority in the space. Now, to create a content machine, you need to first pick one core platform where your audience spends most of their time. It could be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever it is. I want you to find that one platform. And now you need to focus on creating valuable content that educates your audience, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. Now, to make your videos more relatable, you need to leverage storytelling. And now I'm going to incorporate this into my videos as well, which is leveraging more storytelling, because these are going to make your videos way more relatable and your audience connect with you on a personal level. Now, once you've established consistently on one platform, like I've done with YouTube, which is a video every single day, then you can start to repurpose your content to other channels, other social media channels. This could be long form YouTube videos, which can be repurposed and cut into shorts and reels, as well as even Skool posts. Now, to save yourself some time, create content in batches. Like what I've done, I recorded 10 reels on my phone, and now I'm just recording this long form video. I'm going to record another one straight after this. So I'm creating content in batches. It's going to save me so much time. Now, once you've uploaded the video, I want you to leverage YouTube analytics to double down and see what your audience actually resonates with, and just create more of that, because whatever your audience wants, your ICP wants, you just want to give them more of that. Give them more of that. Right. Leverage AI tools such as ChatGPT to help you create scripts and repurpose the content to other platforms. Now, I'm probably going to make a video on this later, on how to properly use ChatGPT to repurpose content and drive traffic to your coaching business. But that is step 4. That is rule 4 done. Now, rule 5 is to build relationships, not transactions. This is really, really important, because in the coaching business, relationships are literally everything. People don't just buy coaching. They buy trust, connection, and even better, a community, which is what Skool allows. Now, when you focus on building genuine relationships with your audience and clients, you create a loyal community that values your guidance. Now, they will be way more eager to invest into your services. And the easiest way to do this is on Skool. By far it is. And you can do this through commenting on posts, answering questions, showing genuine interest in their success. And this is how you create a culture of care inside the community. You can provide value consistently, whether it's free resources, community calls, or even personalized messages. You can encourage members to share their wins, challenges, and whatever goals they have. You can also have weekly hangout calls to deepen the connection between community members. You can send them a personalized welcome message to show to them that you truly care. Check in with them frequently. Focus on adding value first to the free community, and then the money's going to start flowing like that. Right, and then you can set up systems and leveraging CRM tools to track and maintain those relationships with community members. Now, that's rule 5 done. Now, rule 6 is to build systems, not stress. Scaling your coaching business requires more than just hard work. It requires smartly built systems, because without systems, you're going to remain stuck. Systems allow you to automate repetitive tasks and create a business that runs smoothly. Now, to implement this, I want you to identify areas in your business that can be streamlined. For example, it could be automation tools for your lead generation, email follow-ups, or even automated onboarding. You can delegate tasks such as admin tasks or mod tasks to VAs or community moderators, or even considering investing into tools like Monday.com or Trello to keep your team and tasks organized. Now, trust me on this one. With systems in place, you'll cut your stress in half and have way more time to scale your coaching business. Now, finally, we'll move on to rule 7, which is to prioritize client results. The greatest thing you can do as a coach is to provide your clients ultimate results. Now, this is the true measure of your coaching program's value, because when you prioritize delivering incredible results, then you automatically build trust, loyalty, and an insane reputation in the market. And doing all of this, it's going to help you drive more traffic, drive more clients to your business. And satisfied clients, not only are they going to stick to your program, but they're going to become your biggest advocates, your biggest affiliates, and actually spread the word about your services to a lot of people. And that's going to help you get a lot more clients. They can become your biggest and most lethal weapons. Now, to prioritize client results, I want you to set clear expectations and goals from day one. Create a structured roadmap that guides them step by step to the desired outcome. And you can break this roadmap down into small milestones for them to hit. And you can then end up providing personalized support, which could be through the form of one-to-one coaching sessions, group coaching calls, Looms, and community posts. Now, by focusing on client results, you will be able to create a ripple effect of positivity that drives the growth of your entire business. Now, to rule 7, which is the most important, prioritizing client results. Now, I've gone over the 7 rules to completely change your entire coaching business. Now, if you want to change your entire coaching business for free, and you want to start your own school community as well to do that, I want you to click the first link down below in the description, which is going to be my free school community. I'm going to be giving you all the tools, all the resources to set your entire coaching business up from scratch, give you all the resources, all the content, plus 4 to 5 calls a week as well, all for free. So make sure you join today.